Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, welcome to the channel, guys. We've got lots to talk about. Why is cryptocurrency crashing? Why is the sentiment going down? And is Elon Musk actually bad for Dogecoin? Those are some of the questions that we're going to be asking. Those are some of the questions we're going to be talking about. So if that sounds interesting, let's jump into the content right now. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and you know what time it is, guys. You absolutely know what time it is. It is a complete SHIT show out there, guys. So let's get into it. We did see that yesterday the fear and greed index did droppity wop like crazy, and we are seeing that most of the crypto markets are down. Diddy down, guys. And I know a lot of you have probably woken up and are feeling a little bit petrified out there. So it is what it is, guys and gals. So let's talk about Elon Musk. Let's actually talk about Elon Musk. What is going on? The A to Z of Dogecoin whale transactions and controversies around Elon Musk. So despite the volatility, despite the price action, we are still seeing that there are many whales still transferring the Doge back and forth. So at the time of writing, we can see that the whale alert report that there have been large transactions, around about 3.5 million dollars worth of Doge that have been moved around since 18th and 19th. So interestingly enough, most of these transaction emerged from the coin's top 20 wallets, guys. So there's still a lot of movement out there, but the real big question out there, as you guys know, is that Dogecoin is Musk bound, guys. And right now we're seeing that despite love him or hate him, I don't know, depending on your perspective, love or hate his acquisition of Twitter, we are seeing a lot of controversy right now regarding Twitter. We're seeing massive layoffs. We're seeing the former president back on Twitter, and all of these things, not surprising, is this is also having some downward pressure on Dogecoin. So however, if we look at the average ADX right now for Dogecoin, we see that the average ADX, guys, is around about 24. So that line is here, right? The average ADX is about 24. So this is quite bearish, guys. So we're seeing a lot of bearish momentum for Dogecoin, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that because your friend Elon Musk is getting a lot of negativity in the press. I mean, mainstream media is just going on a hunt for Elon Musk. They absolutely do not like the fact that he bought Twitter. Will we get the Dogecoin? Will we get the Dogecoin tippy jar? Will we get that integration? That is just a matter of time. So you can see, if you look at the on-chain visuals right now for Dogecoin, you can see that, per its 30-day market value and realized value, MVR, we can see that Doge investors felt the impact of the price decline according to the sentiment. So you can see that the sentiment of Dogecoin is also in the toilet right now. It is tanking, and a lot of that is because of the FTX pressure, crypto contagion, but also to our friend Elon Musk out there. He's also creating some waves, right? And this is having some backlash, mainstream backlash. So that is why we're seeing that Doge is on the downwards spiral right now. Of course, we've got macroeconomic stuff happening. We've got geopolitical stuff happening, and we have crypto contagion. So that is what is going on with that out there. So should we be panicking? Should we be running for the hills? Well, let's take a look at the price right now. So you can see that for the price of Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin has absolutely collapsed right now. It has dropped almost 9% in the last 24 hours. We're still going down. We have gone below our purple line of 0.79, which is a very, very strong support. You can see that we have been supported here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. This was holding as absolute incredible support. So why is this happening to Dogecoin? Why are we seeing all the crypto markets tanking? Well, I'm going to tell you guys, so buckle up, stay tuned. Let's take a look at the market cap right now. So you can see that the market cap for Dogecoin has gone to $10 billion, and that is down. We're seeing that the volumes are up because people are panic selling right now. There is a lot of panic selling on Dogecoin, guys. Do not panic sell. I'm telling you, this is not financial advice. That's what I would do, is I would not panic sell. Just don't do it, guys. And if you take a look at social sentiment right now, Doge is still 8, guys, still in the 8 spot, so that is pretty good news. We're seeing that, for the week, Dogecoin is down in terms of engagements, down 34% right now. OMG, this is not helping. So so let's talk about why is crypto crashing. Well, you know, the fact of it is, it's related to FTX. So let's just do a little bit of a backstory here. So, as guys may not know that, if some FTX employees were paid in FTT token, well, that probably didn't work out too good for them. We're seeing that also too. We are seeing that our friend Papa Biden out there is calling for global Bitcoin and crypto rules after FTX collapse. So I personally don't have a problem with regulation as long as the regulation is good. Definitely, we need to have centralized exchanges, need to have some form of regulation out there, definitely. But decentralized exchanges and DeFi, no, we shouldn't touch that. That is, we need autonomy on that one. So what is absolutely causing all of this contagion? Well, breaking FTX hacker is dumping Ethereum by the thousands and buying wrapped Bitcoin. So the hacker has just converted 25,000 Ethereum. That's worth about $30 million into Bitcoin on-chain data reveals. So you can take a look at the on-chain data here. You can see all these transactions. So it looks like the FTX hacker out there is actually dumping all of the Ethereum and buying Bitcoin. Now, there are some rumors out there, that the Bahama authorities are doing this in conjunction with FTX. I don't know. That's just some hyperbole. I don't know anything about that. But there are some rumors circulating the interwebs right now. So, also too, the other reason that the crypto markets are crashing, because it's come to light that FTX latest crypto price fall as filings show that top 50 creditors are owed $3.1 billion and two owed more than $200 million each. So this is not helping. This is absolutely not helping with the crypto market. So we got this hacker who's dumping Ethereum about $30 million. We've got the filings, the bankruptcy filings that come out, and we're seeing a ton of creditors are owed over $3.1 million. We've got Papa Biden, speaking up that he wants regulation, he wants this, he wants that. So all of this culmination, and it is Sunday out there. So typically you'll see that we often have these big dumps on the weekend or on Wednesday. So typically, as planned fashion, we're seeing this happening, guys. So what should you do? Be patient and wait for 2025, guys. That's all I can say. So it looks like metrics from we're going to get into some of the positive news. Looks like metrics from CryptoCon indicate that Binance's Bitcoin reserve stash reached an all-time high of 582,000 Bitcoin on November 22nd. November 19, 2022. So from that perspective, we are still seeing, let me give this a minute to refresh, we still are seeing that the total net value of Binance is holding strong out there. Let this refresh. Let this absolutely refresh out there. Let it refresh. It's worth $63.227 billion. Now it is down from the previous figure that you just saw a couple of seconds ago. That is because Bitcoin and the crypto prices are down right now. So if you take a look at the markets right now, take a look at the market caps right now. We are seeing that right now. There we go. We got the right chart. That the total market cap is down 4%. So it looks like we're edging closer to be going below $800 billion. Not good. Absolutely not good. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down and out, the 2.75% down. Ethereum is a whopping 6.63%. At this rate, we could be seeing that Ethereum is going to be going below $1,000. So if Ethereum goes below $1,000, I tell you, the OG, I'm going to buy the farm. I'm going to town. I'm going to town on Ethereum. I'm going to load up like a madman, guys. Absolutely load up like a madman. I will absolutely be doing that. You do you out there. You absolutely do you out there. And speaking about loading up and crypto, once again, get your crypto off centralized exchanges. You got to do that. I'm telling you. I'm warning you out there. Don't be crying to me if suddenly, your favorite exchange collapses and you lose your shirt, guys. Losing your shirt out there. So, guys, go down there, check out my link. It's so important that you do that. Absolutely, you need to do that right now, guys. Doge is still down. Everything's tanking. Everything's not looking good. We're seeing there's nothing in the positive here. But you can turn this around, because you can see right now that if you go to the 7-day you can see that, there's some good bargains. There's still some good bargains, and things will absolutely moonshot in 2025. It's inevitable. It's absolutely inevitable, guys. Do not worry about it. We're also seeing some good news coming out. Looks like Bitcoin is powered by volcanoes. So the El Salvador Bitcoin mining is happening, guys. We're also seeing that, in Greenland, they're also using, volcanoes to power Bitcoin mining. So that is pretty positive, and that just goes to show that more and more Bitcoin miners are becoming environmentally friendly. So where's our friend Elon Musk, who absolutely promised to have the ability to buy a Tesla with Bitcoin? We haven't seen light of day of that one. So just in Coinbase, CEO Brian Armstrong sold more than 1.6 million shares, 1.6 million shares with the M on November 11, and he stated he plans to sell about 2% of his Coinbase holdings over the next year to fund scientific research. Okay, what's he going to research out there? I don't know, very unclear. So guys, here's some friendly advice. This is from Autism Capital here, and I need you guys to put down your phones, focus on what I'm saying here. Now is a good time for a reminder, okay? And this is 100%, I'm in line with this. In a bear market, you do not want to be in any risky projects, okay? Don't be in any risky projects. Like I said, stay in the top 10 to 20, okay? Risky projects. Stay away from smart contracts. Stay away from DAOs. Absolutely stay away from centralized lending services. Whatever your flavor of Ponzi, the rug pull risk increases tenfold. And this includes hacks, rug pulls, scams, phishing, all go up, guys. So be safe out there. And like I said, the best way to secure your crypto out there is get a hardware wallet. So guys, be careful out there. And also given the recent events, this needs to be retweeted. I'm going to say, please do not keep your crypto on any centralized exchanges. Do not work with any lending service. It is not worth the risk. Self-custody is everything until we see the next extent of the contagion. It could be months, guys. So it could be months before all of this blows over and we get back to normalcy, guys. So, and also, as I talked about time and time again, when everybody is talking about centralized exchanges, often crypto goes down. Until we move away from that narrative, we are going to see more contagion. We're going to see more cryptocurrency going down. And it is what it is. So guys, be careful out there and take precautions and secure your crypto, guys. So Bitcoin value decreasing, Bollinger Band squeezing many time frames. Something has to give. So like I said, something has to give, and something did give. We can see right here, if we take a look at the Bitcoin is down right now. Bitcoin sank yesterday almost like 2%. It's down right now almost 0.2%, and it is tanking. Something had to give. So all of that pressure, and I did tell you yesterday that we were going to break to the upside or break to the downside, and we have broken down to the downside. The downside. So, it's breaking news, guys. It's absolutely breaking news. What is going on? Be careful. Be safe out there. Also, what's coming in, we are seeing that you guys have to be careful with Ethereum right now. We are seeing that Ethereum is rapidly losing its downside momentum. So you can see here, let me get my face out of the way. You're seeing a lot of downside momentum for Ethereum, and this could take Ethereum definitely below $1,000 in the shorter time frame, in my humble opinion, guys. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice, just OG expression of my opinion. No licensed financial advisor. I've got to tell you that, else I can get in trouble, guys. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But keep in mind, guys, this as well. Bitcoin bottom should be very close. In 2015, we did see that the Bitcoin bottom happened 26 months after the halving. We're seeing that in 2018 took 29 months, and in 2022 it's already been 30 months. So we should be getting pretty darn tootin' close to the bottom if we have not reached it. But there are some speculation out there that we could be going down even further. And if we didn't have the whole FTX contagion and the whole fall off from that, we could probably be seeing that Bitcoin could be 50% higher. I believe it. I absolutely believe that the bottom should have been in, would have been in, and things should be much higher. But due to the whole unexpected garbage out there, we've had Luna, we've had Celsius, we've had Voyager, we have all of this nastiness out there. This is unprecedented. 2022 is absolutely unprecedented year for cryptocurrency. I've never ever seen it that bad. Let's have a quick look into what's going on right here with the Shibi Weeby. So Shibi Weeby, as I said yesterday, the Shibi Weeby was very much range bound here, but it has collapsed below that. We still have this descending channel here on the daily, and I think that what's going to happen is Shiba Weeby is probably going to follow this downtrend for some time, and we could possibly be seeing that Shiba Weeby could be in a downtrend, and that could take us all the way down to 0.8 very soon, guys. So we did wick down to a low yesterday of 0.073. So guys, let's keep on keeping on. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. Ethereum is crashing down. My next support level, and you can see we had some really good support at about $995. I think that's what we're going to be seeing. I think 995 is definitely in the cards. And guys, it's a huge buying opportunity out there. So guys, this is going to bring this video to a close. I wish I had better news. I wish I had good news for you, but I don't. My single most important message for you out there is you need to be safe. Be absolutely safe out there. Crypto is a jungle. It is absolutely a jungle out there, guys. Be well. Be blessed. It's so important. And also, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. Follow me on my Twitter. You can see our Twitter right here, guys. Get it and follow it. And also share this video, guys. You definitely need to share this video. Get the message out there and share the good vibes with everybody. It's so important. Don't forget to get the links, guys. Check out the links. You want the links. I want the links. Let's get it right now, guys. So I'll see you next one. Be well. Be blessed. You do you out there, and have a fantastic day. Peace out.